welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Okay, here I am at the Nismo factory. Now I've wanted to come here for a long time, so I'm finally here. I think it's also called Omori Factory or Nismo headquarters or whatever. Anyway, it's pretty noisy around here and I'm super stoked to be here, and I'm really sweaty, so hopefully it's air conditioned inside. Anyway, let's go and see what's there. Oh wow. First impression's pretty good. That's sick. Memories of Gran Turismo right there. Look, I'm wearing my I Heart CA18 shirt. Amazing. What's this, like an RV26? It looks a bit different. Holy, you can buy these. Wow. This is amazing. Oh, we gotta get it. Oh, if we can, we need to get on the other side of that glass. Look what's out there. But this is sick. So sick. Oh, man. The memories of Gran Turismo all right here. Holy, I wonder what that sounds like. Oh, that's made up of all little cars. Cool. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. The aero is crazy. This one is like a 350Z Super GT car, and it's got like the most ridiculous aero on it. It's just crazy. If you come to the back here, look at that, that's mental. There's just so much going on. So sick. So sick. The 400R and then the R35. So sick. There's this little model here too, which is pretty awesome. I don't know what it's for, but it looks rad. It's got these like, well, aerodynamic looking mirrors. Oh, and it's got a wooden spoiler. That's cool. But yeah, it's just a cool little model. Nissan GTR Nismo GT500 2013 Super GT GT500 40, I can't read what it says, 40% something. Then behind this beautiful 400R to be the workshop. But my guess is we're not allowed out there. So let's just try and see what's there. That looks like a pretty tidy workshop.
Well, it was definitely worth seeing all that. It's crazy. If you're into cars like me, you just don't want to leave a place like this. I loved it. So many parts, so many cool cars and engines and stuff, and yeah, I recommend coming here to absolutely anyone. I picked up my little Nismo sticker while I was here, and they loved my CA18 shirt, because I guess you know, they don't see too much of that. It's pretty much all, you know, RB26s and the new Skyline VQ35, whatever it is. Anyway, I'll end the video there. And yeah, this is definitely a cool spot to see if you're in Tokyo. It's actually down in Yokohama, but definitely worth the trip. And yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. If you like, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, do whatever. Sorry, it's really noisy and really hot. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.